Time now for Ask the Expert. February is Heart Health Month, and while it's nearly over, it's still an important subject to talk about.
Heart disease still the reigning champion of early death in America, and just a few simple strategies go a long way to decreasing your risk.
So joining us this afternoon is Garrett Stengel from Balance Fitness to kind of help us strategically get through the month of February, which is basically over.
And we're not sitting for this segment.
We're not sitting for this segment.
Non-sitting segment.
No, not at all.
Yeah, indeed. And Heart Month is wrapping up, but it's really what we're going to do now the rest of our year as to whether or not we're reducing our risks or not. And so I'm really here to talk about the fact that we've heard the phrase, probably heard the phrase, sitting is the new smoking. While smoking is still the old smoking, and we want to avoid that as well, sitting for long periods of time is being shown to have greater risks to our health, to our heart health, to our circulatory health. And so really I'm here to plea for people to get up every hour, every 90 minutes or so, and get moving in some way, shape, or form. Whether it's something as simple as trying to just stretch out some of the tight places, hip flexors through their shoulders and back, which tend to get tight and rounded when we're sitting for too long, or even just to work on, squatting down, reaching up big circles.
Just opening up.
Opening up, yep, and just getting the circulation moving. And if you're not into exercise, don't exercise then. Right. You're not going to save your life in 20 minutes of a workout if you're sitting for 8 to 10 hours a day. But you could just be getting up to go talk to the person that you're sending an email to. Instead of going for a coffee break, you're taking a walk break. Instead of sitting on the sidelines at your kid's event, you're up and you're moving around.
Walk a lap.
Walk a lap, and then and then take a break again if you need to. But the idea is really to get that circulatory system moving.
The weather was nice last week. Mary Franzen, who works on the assignment desk in our newsroom, I came back from lunch and she had to take a phone call, but she decided she was going to walk laps around the parking lot while she was taking her phone call as opposed to sitting there behind the desk.
All right, way to go, Mary.
So now I guess that's what we all can do. We can just take laps around the station while we're getting our calls.
As soon as the weather gets nice, people like to take their walks.
If you've got some real deep thinking you have to do, sometimes you just got to sit down and knock it out. But if it's something that you would think, hey, I can multitask this, absolutely. Throw some activity in.
Take your phone call outside.
Get moving. Just get moving.
Yep, get moving.
And we'll be shoveling on Wednesday and Thursday, so we'll have that exercise too.
Just
Thanks. Got a question for our experts? Email them. AskTheExpert@today'stmj4.com. You can also leave a voicemail, the number right there on your television screen.